Alright guys, just gone fishing Mr. Yang. I'm fixing a AC compressor, 2004 Toyota Matrix. Which is I have a noise coming from the AC compressor, and then it's low on oil, so I might as well gonna put some new oil in there. Pack 46 R34A, recommend for it. And then it said use 4 ounce, so it's 4 ounce. Gonna put in that hole right there, and then put everything back on. See, AC works. Now put the bolt back in. Screw it in. Just got to put the AC compressor on there. Now got to put the alternator back in on there. And here we go. Hopefully it works. No AC. You know it. Now put the bolt back in. One bolt right there. Think of my alternator. That's right. Alright. Just got done and pulled all the bolts back in, and the belt. Now it's time to put the harness back in. There we go. Easy stuff. And don't forget about this. Put AC on. Now it's AC time. Yeah, nice and cold. AC on. Cold, full blast. Woo. It works. Oh yeah. Press it. AC compressor is on. It's spinning. The can's empty. Good. Mission accomplished. Well, finally I got it done. Everything works. Ice and cold. I went and called to the Toyota dealer. They didn't want to tell me what they didn't want to tell what price to make a repair on a AC compressor. I told them that it has low on oil, so I'm asking how much they can charge me to make a repair. They didn't want to tell me the price, so I just go ahead and done it to myself. Spent like maybe about close to 3 hours to get it done. So, well, do to yourself. You know, I got it done. Cold AC. I mean, it's just simple, you know, just boat to boat. You know, you just gotta know what you're doing. And I'm guessing it's just low on oil, but yeah, it's low on oil. Right now the AC compressors has no noise at all, just because it's low on oil. Okay, now it's time for driving and a long vacation time. Ice cold AC.